So this is my gear knob cap. You see it's nearly unreadable. So I'm going to change with this. So we just received this one today for 99 pence. Good value. Waited for 2.5 weeks. It's okay. So let's just remove the old one and put the new one on. Say just maybe using my nails. Yeah. So that's the old one. If you look at the shape, there are 4 tabs, and there's a triangle thing, something like this. As we look at this, so we have this shape, and the new one. That's the this is the old one, and that is the new one. We don't have that triangle shape, but hopefully it will be okay. We can, yeah, that's the front. Yeah, could be difficult. So okay, I just checked. So the 4 tabs is fine, but the orientation is not right. So if it's that way, you either fit it this way or that way, you can put it in. So that's not perfect. Maybe it's okay. Maybe we just fit it at the moment this way. Quite difficult to see if you can push in. Yeah, so we can just fit in that way. So at the moment it's okay. We don't know if we can turn it around and separate the top from the bottom. Anyway, this is what I have got for 99p. So it's quite difficult to check the orientation of this from the website. So if you see the old one, can't see anything, and that the new one, just some degree off. So I tried to separate the top piece and the lower piece. Even I used a hair dryer, I couldn't separate. It seems to be 2 pieces put together, but I couldn't separate. So when you order, you have to be careful, because just the wrong orientation.